As a specialist in food safety, manufacturing, and regulatory compliance, I bring comprehensive solutions to clients seeking excellence in contract manufacturing. With a global perspective and a strong focus on quality management, I streamline manufacturing processes while ensuring that all products comply with regulatory standards from conception to consumer delivery. In the highly regulated food industry, partnering with a knowledgeable consultant in contract manufacturing is essential. My services cover every stage of production, from research and development and pilot rollouts to large-scale manufacturing and regulatory compliance. This ensures that each phase meets rigorous food safety and quality assurance standards while remaining flexible to adapt to the evolving needs of e-commerce and retail markets. By implementing robust quality management systems and aligning practices with GFSI standards, I help businesses maintain seamless, compliant production pipelines. Additionally, my experience with packaging management supports product integrity, keeping safety at the forefront while enhancing operational efficiency. With over 20 years of national and international experience in 62 countries and a track record of success across diverse manufacturing environments, I support companies in achieving smooth, compliant, and scalable production outcomes. I am Donald Ray Abbott, your trusted partner in foods, beverages, and supplements.